Duncan Frazer, Chairman, Owner of FT Pipeline Systems and FT Ductile Limited. We organise the manufacture of ductile iron pipelines, still water pipelines. We make gas pressure reducer stations, spacers with little wheels on, innovative ideas to do with utility organisations. So we just do our best and work hard in the industry. Little wheels on. It's a technical phrase, I think you'll find.
Okay.
But one that everybody understands. And I quite like watching things like Dragon's Den and Lord Sugar and all that kind of stuff. And they're all very upfront about how well they've done. I've got this, oh, my business is this, and I do. You know what? You know what they never talk about? They never talk about the failures. And they've got loads of failures. Every single business person who's got to the top of their business has made a shed load of failures, and they never talk about it. But of course, that's how they learn. So it's easier for me, really, because I was happy to lose the house, which I did do. I was happy to sell all my furniture, which I did do. I was happy to sell all the pictures of the car boot sale, which I did do. I was happy to keep the milk in a bucket out the back because I couldn't afford the fridge, which is what I did. I was happy to cook on the Scout stove because I had to sell the cooker. But I wasn't bothered because I always believed that one day we would get an order.
Yeah.
And then we did. The future of the company lies with young people. It lies with the older people in the company, i.e. me, 58, giving the younger people the benefit of our experience and telling them how to do it and also how we got it wrong so we don't make those same mistakes in the future. The objective of the company is not to build up some sort of organisation which is worth a fortune in the future to be sold for a lot of money. That isn't an incentive for me. Our drive is to do things properly and not to cut corners. What we're really, really good at, our prices are low, but our quality is utterly fantastic. If you take a still water pipeline, you put it in the ground, my grandchildren's grandchildren will be drinking clean drinking water out of that. And it is fantastic, it's great, and you get a big sense of pride out of it. And that's what drives the company, really, a sense of pride in doing a good job.
And that relationship then... Have you finished?
I'm sorry.
He's been coughing his way through my interview. Everybody had to be quiet for his, coughing his way through. Start sneezing.
Just say that's the next ship of...
Very soon, he will not be here. It'll be on mine.